Hey there, welcome to Gaming Basics. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to leave a clan in Clash of Clans. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. So, first of all, open the Clash of Clans app. Now click on your profile. As you can see, there are 4 options. Click on My Clan button. It will take you this page. Now click on Leave button below. So, this is how you leave a clan in Clash of Clans. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.